Spring of 2001, the Montgomery Area Chamber of Commerce received a request for proposal. We did not know who it was, but we knew, looking at the requirements, that it was a very, very large project. What Hyundai has built is so much bigger and better and impactful than we ever could dream of.
This plant right here was a game changer. That's just affected so many lives. It's my job to provide for my family, and that's exactly what this plant has allowed me to do. I would not be living in the house that I live in now. It's allowed me to achieve my version of the American dream.
I've been here 20 years, and I feel like I can do another 20. I have 3 daughters that work here. They wanted to follow in my footsteps. They've always looked up to me.
Been out here 12 years so far, right?
Yeah.
They always knew that Dad was always the guy that made it financially happen. And one reason was because of Hyundai. It's helped me raise my daughters and really live a better life for myself. Every time that I'm out on the street and I see a Hyundai, it brings pride to me to know that I did have a part of making that vehicle as great as it is.
This plant, they do a lot of things in the community. We donate money to the area food banks. We donated a lot of money to the United Way Fund. Hyundai is such a big part of the community, and that was their goal when they first started.
We've given over $5.5 million to the River Region United Way. My goal was to try to get maximum participation. A lot of times people are really excited once they recognize that the United Way does so much good in the community.
The team members here at Hyundai, they give because they have the heart to give. They give because they want to make the community better, and they're using those funds that have been donated to provide over $2 million worth of prescription assistance to the community every year and have helped rebuild homes. Hyundai just has built a culture of giving across the entire state.
Hyundai's economic impact is tremendous. Their impact is over $5 billion annually to the state of Alabama, and they have helped create over 40,000 new jobs. It is such an honor to be home for Hyundai, and it has just resonated throughout the whole community.